I am amazed at this little bird. I haven't seen for years, guys. Ever since the some of the forest was lost in Daisy Hill Conservation Park, I did not see this bird anymore. And it's returning, guys. It's returning. It's returned to Daisy Hill. It's got the red around the eyes, and it's a bright green bird like a parrot, but it's actually a Hanira. So it's got a green, bright green body with red eyes. I mean, red coloring around the eyes. Not in the eyes, but around the eyes. How amazing. We have the usual intruder here, guys. Look at that face.